everybody. Thanks for being on today's live. My name is May Doldalau, and if you are on Creative Abundance Now, thank you. If you're on a fan page, Finance Freedom Mastermind on Facebook, thank you. Today we're talking about Fridays at 7 a.m. Hawaii time, noon Eastern Standard Time. Join our investing think tank. So again, my name is May Doldalau. My blog is yesfinanciallyfree.com. There's a link below for all the details. But you can also go directly to the blog, yesfinanciallyfree.com/security analysis to go right to the think tank website. Now, I live in Waikiki. We own, my husband, Jamel, and my son, Jordan. He's 7 years old now. We own this 2-bedroom condo here in Waikiki. And then we own another 1-bedroom condo down the road, also in Waikiki, which is an Airbnb business. But back in 2011, I didn't own any property, and I dreamed of it, but never had, okay? I had over $40,000 of credit card debts and lines of credit. And I was working at a bank here in Honolulu. I was an assistant. So by 2016, I had improved our family's net worth by $500,000. In April, I paid off all that debt. And my family was making almost $500 a month, every month in passive income, mostly from dividend yielding stocks. So I quit my job. December 23rd, 2016 was my last day. Never went back since. And I became a full-time mother. Yay, which was my dream. And part-time, I continued doing internet marketing, blogging, but I started coaching clients to do what I did. And those are called Finance Freedom Masterminds. And all about those programs are at yesfinanciallyfree.com. But if you don't have my free ebook, Working Parents Guide to Financial Freedom, just go to the blog, yesfinanciallyfree.com, put in your first name and email address on the right side and hit the big red yes button, and you'll get that free ebook, and you'll get emails on when I'm live, what I'm talking about. So I blog every day. Sometimes I'm live, sometimes I do video blogging. And I also write up great information. So check it out. Today, I want to tell you something awesome that we do every Friday at 7 a.m. We have a Zoom meeting for 40 minutes, and we are an investing think tank. We're a group of individuals who come together with the sole purpose of becoming great investors, all right? Making a lot of money, creating great wealth through investing. So we do it in a systematic way. We meet every Friday, we record all our meetings, and we put them in a membership website for all members to look at. So if there's one time you missed, or if you want to just cram something in that you didn't understand, it's all there. And if you have any questions about anything you hear about in the news, or if you're doing some investment and you don't understand it, we talk about it and we clarify. But this is what we do systematically. We meet and we all open Webull accounts, which are free. And the reason we're using Webull is because it has paper trading. Paper trading is pretend money trading. Okay, so we're opening a Webull account. When you open it, you get free stock, by the way, if you fund it with $100. If you don't fund it with $100, you don't get free stock, but you can still open it for free. Okay, so you don't need to put any money in here. So we open a Webull account. We have this paper trading account, right, where we practice. So we're not using real money. Okay, and a lot of people, they go into investing and they're basically gambling their real money away, right? And they might lose so much money that they're just out of the game. They just can't play. They're gone, done. They can't because they're broke, all right? So we don't do that. We actually do paper trading, okay? Now, if you want to do your own trading, that's your business. But in the group, we do paper trading. So we do that together, and we compare, and we have a contest. Who's doing the best? And how do we rate who's doing the best? Whoever has the best percent return on the money they started with. So if you start with 100,000 in your pretend paper trading account, how much money have you made, basically? And then whoever's made the most money is the winner that week. So we check every week. It's fun, okay? And it's fun, and we help you play the game, all right? It's all paper trading. Now, we're not doing this randomly. We actually have strategies. Now, we're studying a book called Security Analysis, and it's back in my bookshelf over there, but it's written by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd, and is highly recommended by Warren Buffett to understand investor psychology, okay? Now, if you know anything about recent events with GameStop's price was averaging between $3 to $5 for a while, and then it jumped up to over $400 2 days in a row, right? Now yesterday was at $90. I don't know what it's at now. But if you want to understand this kind of investor psychology, if you want to understand how do you know when is a good time to invest, how can you evaluate a company as well and see if their balance sheet is good? How can you understand certain aspects of the market and make smart investing decisions? How can you find passive income generating preferred stock or regular stock? And how do you know that they're going to pay out on their dividends? How can you find bonds that will actually pay out what they say they owe you? And what bonds are even safe anymore? If Ray Dalio says stay out of cash and bonds, all of these information coming at you. A lot of people get information overload. And then what happens is they don't do anything, right? Well, this group is about taking action every week. Every week we take action. This is not a group where you just sit there, read, analyze, and don't do anything. We take action every week on what we learn, and we learn systematically. We are actually already on chapter 16 of the book, Security Analysis. It's a great book. I highly recommend it. It did take me 2 months to read it. And now we're going through it little by little so everybody in the group understands it. And that's what a think tank mastermind is all about. We are together to lift each other up for the sole purpose of becoming wealthy. Now, if this is something that interests you, if you're interested in being with a group of people who are actually taking action every week, studying, learning, and taking action, and seeing the results, evaluating and growing in a skill that I think should be required learning for everyone. It should be taught in schools. Everyone should learn this. So if you are like me and they didn't teach it to you in school and you have to self-teach yourself, then I highly recommend you join our investing think tank. We are meeting tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Okay. And that would be tomorrow this time, but an hour earlier. Okay. So Friday, 7 a.m. Hawaii time, noon Eastern time. Join us and enjoy the learning process. Get your paper trading up and running and have a great time learning investing without the stress of using actual money, right? And really get good at it, because what will pay, this is something you can do when you're older. If you're working at a job, and they fire you, lay you off because of the economy, you don't have to worry about that. When you're an investor, you are in charge of your own destiny and you have a better understanding of the economy, business, and what is happening in the world. So it's highly, highly important that you take the time to educate yourself. Get a group of support network available to you. And this is a support network educational program where you can learn with other people together in a safe space with pretend money. So have a great day. Click the link below this video to join the investing think tank we have every Friday, or go to yesfinanciallyfree.com. In the menu, you'll see security analysis. Just click there, read through all the free information, and then go ahead and join. I will see you all tomorrow, those who are already in our think tank and those who joined today. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Aloha. And subscribe to the channel. And if you're